Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find the average value of cosine x over the interval from 0 to pi over 2. The average value of a function over an interval can be found using a definite integral. The formula is 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx, where a and b are the endpoints of the interval. Let's set up our axes and graph cosine x. Here's cosine x from 0 to pi over 2. Notice that at x equals 0, cosine is 1, and at x equals pi over 2, cosine is 0. For our problem, we're finding the average value of g of x equals cosine x from 0 to pi over 2. Let's set up the formula. We have 1 over b minus a, which is pi over 2 minus 0, times the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of cosine x dx. This gives us 2 over pi times the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of cosine x dx. Now let's evaluate the integral. The integral of cosine x is sine x plus c. So we have 2 over pi times sine x evaluated from 0 to pi over 2. Let's substitute the endpoints. We get 2 over pi times sine of pi over 2 minus sine of 0. Since sine of pi over 2 is 1 and sine of 0 is 0, this simplifies to 2 over pi times 1. To visualize what this means geometrically, the average value represents the height of a rectangle whose area equals the area under the curve from 0 to pi over 2. Therefore, the average value of cosine x from 0 to pi over 2 is 2 over pi, or approximately 0.637.